Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Rabbit Horoscope 2020. A look at the year ahead. Rabbit Horoscope 2020 predicts that whatever you did last year will directly affect your year in 2020. You will continue to work on everything that you were working on last year. But, you will also be more aware of what you are doing this year. You will need to keep working on your goals if you want to accomplish them. You won't progress by doing nothing. Try to learn more in this Chinese year of the white metal rat as well. Always keep trying to improve yourself in one way or another. The rabbit is the fourth sign in the Chinese zodiac. People who are born in the year of the rabbit are also said to have many rabbit-like personality traits. For example, people born in the year of the rabbit are said to love being close to family, sweet and sincere, compassionate, fair, and entertaining. At times these people can be pushovers or indecisive. But these are only a couple of bad traits that can't compete with all of their good traits. All of these traits will be able to affect the rabbit person's horoscope for 2020. Let's find out if the year 2020 is good for the rabbit. 2020 Rabbit Predictions for Love. Chinese Astrology 2020 predicts that the rabbit are likely to look for the ideal relationship this year, romantic or friendly. Will rabbit get married in 2020? You may have the image of the perfect partner in your mind. Don't waste your time looking for this person this year. If you are single, date around and find someone who comes close to your ideals. However, don't dump someone just because they don't fit all of your criteria. If you are already in a relationship, this is a great time to shake things up. Will rabbit have a baby in 2020? Trying new things, going to new places, and having sex in different ways are all good ways to add some more excitement into your relationship. Rabbit, your spring and summer will be the ideal time to do anything romantic. You are also likely to be more spontaneous when it comes to being with your friends and family. It is always a great idea to try new things with your friends. Stopping by unexpectedly is also a great surprise for your family. Just be yourself around all of these people, and you will be very likely to have a prosperous social life in the 2020 year of the rat. Rabbit 2020 Career Astrology. Work hard at work in 2020, and it will be sure to pay off in future years. Also, the Chinese zodiac rabbit should gain more knowledge about their career this year. Or, learn new skills that can help with your job. Then, you will have a better chance of getting noticed or promoted. Do not be afraid to work with others this year. Your co-workers could very well be your greatest assets at work this year. Rabbit 2020 Finance. Is 2020 lucky for rabbit? The 2020 rabbit predictions ask you to pay off any old debt that you might have. These debts are likely to stress you out if you do not pay them off soon. Clean up your budget and try to balance it this year. Work more towards paying things off, rather than buying new things. Saving money for future years is also a good idea in 2020. Year of the Rabbit Predictions for Health. Rabbit, all the work you are doing is bound to stress you out at times. So, it would be advantageous to learn some stress-reducing techniques during the year. Try to spend more times outdoors and less time in front of a screen this year. This could encourage you to exercise more. Being in front of fewer screens will make your eyes feel healthy and give you fewer headaches as well. Keeping active and eating a balanced diet is important this year. So try to do things that will help this need.